But one of the biggest questions that we get asked is what's the best make of caravan to go for? So we're going to have a look at a Bailey Pageant Monarch. This is a mid-range caravan. It's 2-berth. So let's have a look what it's like. And this is a 2007. It's a 2-berth. It's of traditional construction. Most caravans up until about 2010 were of a standard construction where you've got a front panel, a back panel, a roof panel, 2 sides, awning rails, roof rails that hold everything all together. We've got timber internals, timber roofing, timber floor, and pretty much everything from before 2010 was all of the same construction. So we're then looking at decor. We've got a Dometic fridge, we've got a spin flow oven, we've got the Truma heating, got a nice kitchen area. This one's got the microwave, and again we've got a nice big sunroof. And then at the back we've got a good sized washroom. Next we've got a Sprite caravan. This is actually a 2012, but it's still of the traditional construction. Let's have a look what the differences are. So again, 2-berth. It is the Sprite, so it is a lower level, so it's a little bit unfair comparison in all honesty. But we've got cupboards at the front, at sides. We've not got them across the top. Same sort of seating. We've got the Thetford fridge. We've got no oven. So we've only got a hob and a grill. We've got the Truma heating again, and then at the back we've got the washroom. Now, can you see what's missing in this one? Yep, that's right, no shower. So, although layout is pretty much the same, construction is the same, this is a lighter model. So by losing the oven, the microwave, the shower and a few other little bits and bobs here and there, we're actually only 1,036 kilograms maximum weight. The Bailey, that was 1,238 kilograms, so there's 200 kilograms of weight difference. So again, in this instance, it comes down to weight. If you can only tow 1,050, this is probably what sort of thing that you're going to have to go for, with a little bit less spec, a little bit more basic. But if you can go that little bit more, and you do want that extra few refinements, then obviously the Bailey is the van for you. We've got a Swift Challenger, which is a mid-range caravan. Traditional 4-berth layout, so we've got double bed at the front, side dinette, kitchen area, and then washroom at the back. So we've got the Truma heating, and that's the blown air heating. We've got the Thetford fridge, we've got the Thetford oven, and then we've got the little microwave. We've got cabinets all around, and again, if I just pop some lighting on, quite nice lighting all the way through. Fly screens and blinds on all of the windows. Not a bad van. Let's have a look at another comparison. We've got a Bailey Pageant Champagne, which is again a mid-range Bailey caravan. So let's have a look at what the differences are. So inside, pretty much identical layout-wise configuration. Slightly different colours, slightly different placement of the microwave. But again, we've got a Truma heating system. We've got the spin flow oven, hob and grill, which is pretty much identical. We've got the Dometic fridge, which is again pretty much identical. Got the big end washroom at the back, again just different configuration. And again, both vans that we've looked at here, construction wise exactly the same. There's no difference between the two. So what it really boils down to is what you like when you walk into the van. There's obviously differences in the materials, the colours, but when you actually look at the build of the van, it's on the Alco chassis. They're both front, back panel, side panels and a roof panel. There's no difference in the construction type. The materials that they've used is very similar, so it is just literally down to the finish, the upholsteries, etc. And a lot of the time, if the van's been well looked after, that is what it boils down to, is you will walk into one van and you will like it more than the other.